What are you saying, guys? Quick thermostat change on this Vauxhall Meriva. Okay, so I'm gonna take the cooling bottle off, and then take the radiator hoses off and the heater matrix hoses down the back there off, and then we got these little E pieces, these E sockets, E bolts. So let me get my tools and start whacking this all out. The car's been driven before, so if you book me, please don't drive the car. The water's gonna be hot. You know what I mean? So yeah, working in the rain, guys, man. I need to get a poncho today. So far I've taken the bottle out, I've taken the hoses off, I've taken this bracket off, I've disconnected the connectors. So I'm gonna have to swap over the coolant temperature sensor down there. Hello. Let me just see what size these are. So E10. Yeah. Cool. So let me get this off now. So this is the old thermostat. It is finished. That's a rubber seal, the old rubber seal. What's actually wrong with this one is that this electronically controlled thermostat here isn't working, so it's not allowing the water to flow properly. It's not allowing the car to heat up properly, I think it was actually. So it was staying stuck open. Yeah, this is the new one. Just the old one. It's closed. My memory's so bad I can't remember what the fault was, but engine management through it, putting the coolant fans on, and I think she told me it wasn't getting very hot. It's about to go in. All done, all done, all done. This, no, saying all done. Still got to top up the coolant, run it, make sure the fan's cut in and out, make sure there's no leaks. Then I can go on to the next job. It's working. Radiator. You see it's cooled back down now. So let's see what the temperature inside is. So we'll let the fan cut in one more time.